Hello, good morning. My name is Triani Sumiati. I come from the Faculty of Pharmacy, School of Industrial and Pharmaceutical Technology, Bogor. I will present the article of my paper entitled Potency of Deep Aesthetic Solvent as an Alternative Solvent on Pretreatment Process of Lignocellulosic Biomass. Indonesia is a tropical country that has large forestry, agricultural, and plantation area. From the production of forest and plantation products, abundant waste is produced. The lignocellulosic biomass was produced is wood residues and sawdust, agricultural residues such as bagasse, rice straw, oil palm empty, fruit branches, and plantation residues such as leaves and roots. Lignocellulosic biomass is a promising resource because of its abundance and sustainability. Lignocellulosic biomass is composed of three different types of natural polymers, consisting of lignin, hemicellulose, and cellulose. Cellulose forms a skeleton surrounded by hemicellulose and lignin and is tightly bound to one another. The polymer fraction that varies from lignocellulose can be used for various chemical raw materials and energy and its derived products. The use of cellulose as a raw material is often disrupted by the presence of lignin. Lignin must be removed to get cellulose with high purity through the process of delignification. The delignification process can be carried out using physical, chemical, and biological methods. Chemical methods using sulfates, alkalis, and other chemicals that cause environmental pollution and the corrosion-resistant reactor. Physical method need a special handling, high energy, and high pressure. And biological method is a friendly environment and reduce energy consumption and development is emphasized. Biological or enzymatic methods cannot be applied directly to lignocellulosic raw materials, because lignin inhibits the penetration of moles or enzymes into the cell walls of lignocellulosic material, and the process is slow with a time between 10 until 14 days. Therefore, it is necessary to remove some lignin and hemicellulose so that cellulose fibers become more accessible to enzyme. The preliminary treatment process can be carried out using solvents. Pretreatment of lignocellulosic material using DES was carried out to increase enzyme penetration in the delignification process. Deep aesthetic solvent can effectively release lignin and hemicellulose bonds with cellulose. What is deep aesthetic solvent or DES? Deep aesthetic solvent or DES is one of the environmentally friendly solvent which has the advantage of low price, good biodegradation potential, short synthesis time, and low toxicity. DES is mixture of 2 or 3 components that produce a mixture with a melting point lower than the mixture of each component. DES is made by mixing quaternary ammonium salt and hydrogen bond donors, both of which have a high melting point and will form an aesthetic mixture with a melting point much lower than its components. Generally, the solvents are liquid between room temperature minus 70 degrees Celsius. This solvent preparation is obtained by mixing quaternary ammonium salts with complexity agents as hydrogen bond donor, which have the ability to form complex compounds with anion halides from quaternary ammonium salts. There are 4 types of complexing agents, namely metal salt, hydrated salt mixtures, hydrogen bond donor, and transition metal. The first type is metal salt is easy to make and does not react with water and has a large viscosity. Usually used for the coating process because it is resistant to corrosion. The second type, hydrated salt mixture, has a melting point and lower viscosity than the first type. This type is usually used for the plating process. The third type is formed from choline chloride and hydrogen bond donors. Various hydrogen bond donors have been studied to date, namely amides, carboxylic acid, and alcohol. The liquid is easily prepared and relatively unreactive with water, biodegradable, non-toxic, and relatively inexpensive. And the fourth type consists of transition metal such as zinc chloride, which can form acetic liquid with urea, acetamine, ethylene glycol, and 1,6-hexanediol. The physiochemical characteristic of this. The physiochemical characteristic of this need to be carried out, including freezing point, density, viscosity, conductivity, and pH. Freezing point. The formation of acetic liquid is based on combining 2 or 3 components through hydrogen bonds, and this new phase is characterized by the formation of freezing points that are lower than each of its constituent components. From various studies, it has been reported that the freezing point of acetic fluid form is below 150 degrees Celsius. Generally, acetic liquids with freezing point lower than 50 degrees Celsius are more attractive solvents to be used as solvents that are cheap and safe to use. Density. From the result of the study mentioned that the majority of gas has a density whose value is higher than water. Viscosity. Generally, gas shows a relatively high viscosity, more than 100 centipoise at room temperature, except for gas which result from the incorporation of choline chloride and ethylene glycol. Conductivity. From several studies that have been carried out with an increase in temperature resulted in a significant increase in the conductivity of the gas. pH. Gas has a neutral pH. Pretreatment of lignocellulosic material using gas was carried out to increase enzyme penetration in the delignification process. Several studies has been reported over the past 2 years can be seen in the table 1. Pretreatment is an important stage for lignocellulose. Without pretreatment, the enzymatic hydrolysis process of lignocellulose will produce low yields and conversion rates. This can effectively release lignin and hemicellulose bonds with cellulose. These solvents have been shown to be effective in reducing lignin levels in lignocellulosic material. This figure represents the role of DES as a pretreatment solvent to increase enzyme penetration in biomass component. Generally, DES has been synthesized from ammonium or phosphonium-based salts, which are combined in different ratio with various types of hydrogen bond donors, such as alcohol, urea, carboxylic acid, ethers, amides, and hydrate metal salts such as chloride, nitrate, and acetate. DES is made by mixing halide anions as hydrogen acceptor and hydrogen bond donors. The mixture is heated and shaken at 180 rpm at 30 degrees Celsius or 60 degrees Celsius until a colorless homogeneous liquid is formed. The synthesized DES is then heated at a temperature of around 80 degrees Celsius for 12 hours to remove in-reacted free acid. This form is stored in a vacuum desiccator with silica gel for further use. In recent years, the use of safer and more environmentally friendly alternative solvents has been a great concern. Research on the toxicity of DES has been carried out by testing 10 choline chloride-based DES mixed with hydrogen bonding donors. The results show that DES is practically non-toxic compared to its constituent component. Other studies regarding the toxicity of DES are using a combination of choline chloride with urea. The results showed that DES solvent was proven to be non-toxic. Research on biodegradability has been carried on choline-based chloride DES with glucose, glycerol, and oxalic acid as hydrogen bonding donors were biodegradable by 68 until 96% after 14 days. Biodegradability testing of 20 types of DES resulted that all DES could decompose with a level 69.3% after 28 days. Conclusion: various multipurpose aesthetic mixture can be made with superior properties. Its beneficial properties with relatively low toxicity are easier to biodegrade and are easier to making it attracts more attention from researchers to increasingly explore DES solvent in various studies, especially as pretreatment solvent for lignocellulosic material. Thank you.